One of the bank transactions for alleged lookout man Muzi Sibiya shows he opened the month of October 2014 with a purchase of Kavela shoes in Johannesburg. The same day, the 1st of October, there was a cash withdrawal of 500 rand in Phosphorus.
It says ATM cash withdrawal, ATM Phosphorus, Naledi. Do you know anything about this transaction?
As I've already indicated that I would not be in a position to select transactions to say this one was done by myself or by Mbali.
Phosphorus is located in Gauteng's East Rand, where Meyiwa lost his life. Sibiya also told the court that not only did he live near Naledi Mall when he was still in Gauteng, but so too did the mother of his child, Mbali Moyo, who kept his bank cards. The transactions also show Sibiya bought airtime on the day Meyiwa was killed, with the state noting it was among the highest purchases of airtime in that period.
On a calculation of the transactions that occurred in Gauteng, we counted about 93 transactions across all three accounts in Gauteng, about 54 in Phosphorus, and about 39 in Johannesburg, Germiston, East Rand. Then there are about 8 transactions in Nongoma.
I think that the prosecutor, when he's referring to other transactions that happened in Nongoma, he did not show them to me yesterday. I don't know as to whether he's showing me the ones that he had showed me or the ones that he has calculated. I'm saying this because there's on the Standard Bank account, there are instances where myself personally made these withdrawals at Nongoma. It could be twice or thrice, but that transaction was not shown to me by the prosecutor.
Sibiya's initial version, put by his former lawyer to state witness, Constable Senzo Meyiwa, was that he left Gauteng in March 2013 after losing his job and only came back in 2015. On the stand, he says he would occasionally come to the province but would not commit himself to any transactions because he says his cards remained with the mother of his child, Mbali, while he was at home.
I did say that my cards were here in Gauteng. They were in Mbali's possession, the 2 cards, and then she was using them, and as and when I'm in Gauteng, I would also use them. And for me to have cards that are being kept by Mbali or that are with Mbali, it's not a problem. She did not force me to leave the cards with her, because if that was the case, there would have been a case that was open, so I voluntarily left the cards with her. Mr. Ramusipidi was correct to say that I left 2013 to go and reside at home, and I would and now and again come to Gauteng, do what I needed to do, and go back home.
When Mr. Ramusipidi was asking you questions about Constable Zungu, he put the evidence of Constable Zungu to you that he testified that he saw you on the 26th of October 2014 with the other accused, and he asked you, do you know him? You then mentioned that you saw him in 2017 in the company of Makosonke, then that you saw him again in 2019 at Naledi Mall, and you were with Toba Ndwandwe inside the Naledi Mall. He was driving a white Polo sedan on the day. Is that correct?
The state says the transactions disprove his version previously put to state witness Senzo Meyiwa. On Friday, the court will hear arguments from the defense opposing the state's attempt to use accused number 2's confession statement to cross-examine Sibiya on aspects where he is mentioned. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Mnisi at the High Court in Pretoria.